So this will be the handcuff knot. What you want to do is take your cord. This is only a couple feet long. Go to about the middle. Take it, turn it over, make a loop. The tag end that's hanging will be over the bottom end. And then you get the strand next to it, turn it, make a loop. The tag end will be on the bottom end. And then all you do is bring the two loops together, like so. So it looks like a pretzel. And then you take the left side and the right side from the center and you pull them through. And what you've created are basically two slip knots that work as handcuffs. And then you pull the loose ends tight. And what you want to do is take one tag end down here, one of these loose tag ends, and create an overhand knot on one side. Then take the other tag end and create another overhand knot on the other side. And once that's on wrist, it locks it in place. Hopefully you guys are able to see. Take care.